Unfortunately, an elderly man is fighting with death while trying to get warm in his body. His name is Dhirendra Das. He was first taken to Kalyanpur Hospital and referred to Agartala GB Hospital. The incident took place in Gilatali Ghat area of Kalyanpur police station.
It is known that from the details of the incident that today, when public life is in a state of chaos due to the cold, common people in different places have taken various initiatives to get warm. As a part of such an initiative, Dhirendra Das and other people of the concerned area were putting down the heat of the fire together near their house. But unfortunately, suddenly, somehow, Dhirendra's body caught on fire, and it is reported that almost 90% of his body was burned. Although the fire department personnel rescued him and took him to Kalyanpur Hospital, according to the hospital sources, his condition is critical. The entire incident has spread a lot of sensation in the entire area.
কিরকম শরীরে কিরকম হয়েছে আগুনে কিরকম শরীরে কি
90% ক্ষতি হয়েছে শরীরে
কোন জায়গায় হয়েছে সেটা জায়গাটার নাম
গিলাতলি ঘাট
কি নাম ওনার যে আহত হয়েছে
ধীরেন্দ্র দাস
বাড়ি কোন জায়গায়
গিলাতলি ঘাট তুতাবাড়ি
বয়স কেমন হইব না
50
আপনার কি হয়
আমার কাকা লাগে
Reported by Biplov from Khowai, Chini Khorang.